everyone, in my this video tutorial I will tell you about the device lagging or working slow problem in your device POCO C40. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the your device is working slow or stopping again and again or lagging problem, you can fix it in the few steps as I will show you. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn the device lagging problem in your device. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's watch it.